Good day, everyone. Today, our group will discuss artificial intelligence or AI, one of the most transformative technologies shaping our modern world. From smart assistant to self-driving cars, AI is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact. In this presentation, we'll explore what AI is, its example, how it's used in offices, and how it's transforming the workplace. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as decision making, reasoning, and problem solving. Essentially, AI allows machines to think and act intelligently. Here's the example of artificial intelligence. First is ChatGPT, an AI language model that can understand and generate human-like text. Second, Google Translate uses AI to translate languages instantly, as is Tesla, employs AI for self-driving technology and smart navigation. This example shows how AI is already part of our daily lives. Next are the key AI technologies used in office environment. First is the natural language processing, helps computers understand human language. Second, robotic process automation automates repetitive office tasks. Third is machine learning, allows systems to learn from data and improve over time. And last is AI chatbots and virtual assistants, support customer service and administrative work.
Historical development of AI from early computation to machine learning. The speed at which AI continues to expand is unprecedented, and to appreciate how we get to this present moment, it's worthwhile to understand how it first began. AI has a long history stretching back to the 1950s, with significant milestones at nearly every decade. The beginning of AI in 1950s. The concept of artificial intelligence itself held a great significance primarily through Alan Turing's innovative paper, The Computing Machinery and Intelligence, which proposed the Turing test as a method to evaluate whether a machine could exhibit an intelligent behavior equal to a human. This work marked a crucial shift in computing, transforming it from a tool for numerical calculations into a platform for exploring machine cognition, learning, and problem solving, therefore, laying the philosophical and theoretical groundwork for AI as a distinct discipline. Although no functional AI system existed at that time, Turing's idea challenged traditional views on human intelligence and computation, inspiring early debates on the feasibility of creating machines capable of thought, which could later create the establishment of AI. Alan Turing. Alan Turing is widely regarded as the father of computer science and artificial intelligence, made an innovative contribution to AI in 1950 with his seminal paper, The Computing Machinery and Intelligence. In this work, he proposed the Turing test, a method to evaluate whether a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior equal to a human through a text-based conversation. This shifted the focus of AI research from merely simulating human thought processes scientifically testing machine intelligence, influencing the development of early AI systems and philosophical debates on consciousness and cognition. Turing's idea, rooted in his earlier work on the Universal Turing Machine in 1936, laid the conceptual foundation for modern AI, emphasizing computation as the basis for advancement in machine learning and natural language processing. His legacy endures as AI continues to seize with the implication of his test, which remains a benchmark for assessing machine intelligence. During the summer of 1956, Dartmouth College mathematics professor John McCarthy invited a small group of researchers from various disciplines to participate in a summer-long workshop focused on investigating the possibility of thinking machines. The group believed every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in participate be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it due to the conversation and work they undertake that summer. They are largely credited with founding the field of artificial intelligence. The Dartmouth Conference, or officially known as the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, took place in 1956 at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire. Organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, it brought together a small group of researchers for a 6-week workshop aimed to exploring the potential of machine to simulate human intelligence. During the event, the term artificial intelligence was coined and key concepts like problem solving, learning, and neural networks were discussed, laying the foundational groundwork for AI as a distinct field of study and marking the beginning of modern research. So, the formal birth of AI was marked by the 1956 Dartmouth Conference. This event brought together researchers to explore how to make machines simulate human intelligence. AI Winter and Expert Systems in 1970 to 1980s. During the 1970s and 1980s marked a crucial era in artificial intelligence history, characterized by the AI winter, a period of reduced funding, skepticism, and slowed progress following the initial hype of the 1960s artificial intelligence, when AI researchers offer promise capabilities like general intelligence that failed to materialize due to computational limitations and algorithmic shortcomings. This winter evidenced by reports like the 1973 Lighthill report in the UK criticizing AI's lack of practical results, forced the field to turn toward more achievable goals, fostering realism and interdisciplinary approaches. Concurrently, expert expert system emerged as a major contribution developed by researchers like Edward Feigenbaum and Stanford Heuristic Programming Project, which developed rule-based programs to emulate human expertise in domains like medical diagnosis. An example, mycin for bacterial infections and chemical analysis. By the early 1980s, this system built on knowledge bases and inference engines, demonstrated AI's value in real-world applications, leading to commercial successes. The AI winter tempered expectations, while expert systems proved AI's utility, laying groundwork for later revivals and practical AI development. Next is the machine learning revolution of AI in 1990s to early 2000s. During the 1990s marked a crucial shift from symbolic, rule-based systems to data-driven approaches, strengthened the field after the AI winter of the 1990s. Key contributions included the refinement and popularization of algorithms like backpropagation for training neural networks, the development of support vector machine by Vladimir Vopnik in 1995 for robust classification, and early work on convolutional neural networks by Jan LeCun, which enabled development in handwritten digit recognition and laid foundation for computer vision. This also saw advancements in reinforcement learning and ensembles method, like random forests, fostering application in speech recognition such as IBM's via voice and natural language processing. So these innovations emphasize statistical learning from the large datasets, making AI more adaptable and effective for real-world tasks, setting the stage for the deep learning that boomed in the early 2000s. Lastly, the deep learning and modern AI in 2010 up to the present. The deep learning has revolutionized artificial intelligence by enabling development in neural network architectures, particularly convolutional neural networks for image recognition and recurrent neural networks for sequential data processing. A crucial moment was the 2012 ImageNet competition victory by AlexNet, which demonstrated deep learning's superiority in computer vision, sparking widespread adaptation. Saw the rise of transformers introduced in 2017, powering models like BERT and GPT, which transformed natural language processing and led to the advanced applications such as machine translation, chatbots, and generative AI like ChatGPT. Modern AI fueled by big data, cloud computing, and specialized hardware like GPU and TPU has integrated deep learning into real-world systems, including autonomous vehicles such as Tesla autopilots and virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa. These advancements have democratized AI, enabling faster training of complex models and achieving superhuman performance in tasks like AlphaGos in 2016 while raising ethical behavior. Now, let's move to the applications of AI in everyday life and office work. AI is increasingly developed into everyday life, enhancing convenience and personalization in homes. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa handle voice commands for tasks such as setting reminders, playing music, or controlling smart devices, while the recommendation algorithms on platforms like Netflix and Amazon suggest content or products based on user preferences. In health apps, the use of AI for fitness tracking, personalized diet plan, and early disease detection via wearable devices. In autonomous vehicles and navigation apps like Google Maps, optimize the routes in real time and reducing travel time and emission. Analytics in tools like sales forecast, sales trends, enabling data-driven strategies. So, it helps to boost efficiency, reduces the errors, and allows professionals to focus on creative and strategic tasks. In office work, the AI is efficient in productivity and decision making. Tools like chatbots automate customers' inquiries, freeing up human staff, while AI-powered software such as Microsoft Copilot assists with writing, data analysis, and scheduling. Machine learning algorithms in email system filter spam and prioritize messages and predict. So the application of AI in everyday life, for example, the virtual assistant. The virtual assistants such as the Siri or Alexa enhance our everyday life by managing schedules, controlling smart devices, offering real-time info, aiding shopping, and providing entertainment or translation. For home devices, AI enhanced by automating daily tasks like controlling smart assistant for lighting and health monitoring. And for health monitoring, AI enhanced personal well-being and productivity through real-time data analysis and predictive insights. In daily routines, wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers use of AI algorithms to continuously monitor vital signs such as heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep patterns, and physical activity, alerting users to potential health issues like irregular heartbeats or sleep apnea, while providing personalized recommendations for exercise or diet. Now, the application of AI in office work. The first is the task automation. It plays a significant role by efficient, repetitive, and time-consuming activities. AI system can automatically handle data entry, processing invoice, managing calendars, and generate routines reports without human intervention. This automation reduces the likelihood of errors and accelerate workflows, allowing the employees to focus more on strategic and creative tasks. Additionally, the tools can analyze large datasets to provide insights and support decision making. Further, it enhances the office efficiency by automating mundane tasks or the repetitive tasks that helps the organization to save time. It reduces costs and improves the overall productivity. Next, the communication support. It enhances the communication in office work by facilitating clearer, faster, and more efficient interactions. The AI-powered tools such as the chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries, schedule meetings, and manage emails, ensuring timely responses and reduce the communication delays. Natural language processing enables this system to understand and generate human-like language, improving the quality of interactions both internally among the employee and externally with clients. Additionally, it assists in language translation and summarizing lengthy documents, making the communication more accessible and effective across the teams. These support efficient workflows and foster better collaboration within the work environment. And lastly, the productivity tools. The AI help to enhance by developing the features that optimize task management and workflows efficiency. These tools use machine learning algorithms to prioritize tasks, offer smart suggestions, and automate routine activities such as scheduling, document editing, and data analysis. The software can also track employee performance, identify bottlenecks, and provide insights to improve time management. Therefore, adapting to user behavior and preferences, the AI productivity tools help employees to focus on high impact work, reduce the distractions, and maintain better organization. Ultimately, it boosts the overall office productivity.
AI and workplace transformation. The section focuses on how AI is transforming modern workplace. AI and workplace transformation. The AI is reshaping the workplace by automating tasks, improving productivity, and enhancing decision making. AI powered tools provide data driven insight, streamline workflows, and improve efficiency. However, implementing AI also requires careful planning, ethical consideration, and employee upskilling. The key impacts of AI include first is automation and efficiency. Repetitive tasks are handled by AI system. Second, enhanced productivity. Employees can focus on more strategic work. Third, improved decision making. AI analyze data to support better business decision. Fourth, personalized experience. AI tailors service and recommendations to individual needs. And last, enhanced customer services. Chatbots and AI assistants provide faster and more efficient support.
AI in a public service in the Philippines. AI development and application in the Philippines. The Philippines government is actively integrating information technology to improve public service, demonstrated by the creation of the Department of ICT and the National ICT Development Agenda. Artificial intelligence or AI is being authorized across several sectors in the Philippines, including healthcare, banking and finance, manufacturing, and information technology. AI in government. AI and machine learning or ML offers notorious advantage for e-government system. Number 1, improve efficiency. AI can automate process, reducing processing time and increasing overall efficiency. Number 2, enhancing accuracy. AI algorithm can minimize errors and improve the accuracy of various government operations. Number 3, increase accountability and transparency. AI system can provide clear, audited trails and enhance transparency in decision-making process. Number 4, we have encouraged citizen engagement. AI-powered tool can facilitate better communication and engagement between government and its citizen. Number 5, leadership insight. AI can provide data-driven insight to support better decision-making by government leaders. AI and ML application in e-government system. 4. We have fraud detection, identify and preventing fraudulent activities. Predictive analysis, forecasting trends and outcomes to support productive decision making. We have process automation, automating root tasks and improve efficiency and reduce manual effort. Ethical and social issue. The ethical and social implications of AI are the critical considerations, basis of discrimination. AI discrimination making can reflect biases present in the data in threats on leading to unfair or discriminatory outcome. Privacy and data security. The use of AI raises concern about the privacy and security of personal data. Economics interruption and job displacement. AI-driven automation may lead to job loss and economic disruption.
Preparing office administration graduates for AI integrated workplace. AI in the future of work. The intelligence of artificial intelligence or AI into the workplace represents one of the most significant technological shifts in generation. This transformation is reshaping that not just how we work but what it means to work in the 21st century and ushering in an era of human-machine partnership that redefines the modern workplace. KAI technologies transforming the workplace. A handful of K technologies dominate the workplace AI landscape. Often they work in tandem to automate repetitive tasks and augment human decision making, allowing workers to focus on more creative and high value work. Three types of AI. First, generative AI. Generative AI models create new content like text, image, music, and video by learning patterns from input data. Examples: DALL-E, GPT-3, Ampere Music, and VIDI Get 3D. Use cases: content creation, entertainment, research, and development. Second, agentic AI, define autonomous AI system that perceive their environment, make decisions, and act to achieve specific goals. Key features: autonomy, goal-oriented, adaptability, and learning. Examples: robotics, autonomous vehicles, virtual assistant, and cybersecurity system. Last, AI assistant, virtual use virtual agent using NLP and machine learning to support users and perform tasks. Example: Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, customer service chatbots, and AI-powered email management. Four ways AI is changing the nature of work. First, increase task productivity. AI automates repetitive tasks, provide insight, and optimize processes. Example: automated data entry, AI-powered analytics, process automation. Second, transforming workflows. AI integrates into business operations, streamlining processes and improving collaboration. Example: AI-driven project management, intelligent customer service, and automated content creation. Third, creating new job roles. AI creates specialized roles for developing, implementing, and managing AI system. Example: AI engineers, data scientists, and AI ethicists. 4. Accelerating innovation. AI enables faster experimentation, provides research tools, and uncovers novel solutions. Example: AI-driven drug discovery, generative design, and predictive maintenance. Best practices for leadership in the AI era. First, approach AI strategically. Define clear goals aligned with business strategy. Key action: define business goals, assess capabilities, and prioritize projects. Second, create a solid data and structure. Collect, store, and manage high-quality data. Key action: data collection, data storage, and data governance. Third, focus on workforce development and change management. Equip employees with AI skills and manage adoption smoothly. Key actions: training programs, change management, upskilling, and reskilling. Fourth, consider the benefits of long-term transformation. Invest in sustainable AI solution and foster continuous learning. Key action: learning term vision, continuous improvement, and innovation culture. Last, looking toward the hybrid workforce. Embrace human AI collaboration by redesigning jobs. Key action: job redesign, collaboration tools, and ethical considerations. That's all. Thank you.